today I'm going to show you different levels of students' desk that they organize, level 1, 2, 3, and 4, that can help your students understand how to organize desk and how a level 4 desk should look like. So here it is. First off, I'm going to show you a level 1 desk, or you can say this is a D, because obviously there's lots on the desk, and if you look inside the desk, it's all messy, nothing is organized, and you can see tons of other things, pen, pencil case, pencils, some putty, some clay. Papers are all over the place, they are not organized. So that's a level 1 desk. So I think this is a level 2 desk because on the top of the desk you see a few papers, pencils, there's a pencil case right there, and then a few other things. But inside, if you see, the student is trying to organize and is working on the organizational skills. But it's not there yet. The student is still working. So, but you know, some things are organized. The student is trying to keep things properly, but I think needs a little bit more help. So this is a level 2 desk. Now, this is a level 3 desk because on the desk there's nothing much, and inside things are pretty organized. If you can take a look, things are kept properly, neatly. So I think this is a level 3 desk. So one section has books and papers, there's a ball, and then pencil case, a mini canvas, sharpener, and an eraser. On the top of the desk there's an eraser and a pencil. The student can get rid of that and probably improve. So I think this is a level 3 desk, not bad. So now let's take a look at the level 4 desk. So let's take a look at the level 4 desk. So nothing on the top of the desk, it's all empty, neat and clean, tidy. Inside it, you see papers on one side, and then there's books, pencil case, notebook on the other side. There's a spot for the pencil, there's a watch behind it, and then erasers on the side. So this is very well kept desk. It's a level 4 because everything is well organized and the student is doing a great job. So these are all the 4 different levels of desk organization that you can show your students, and then probably that would help them understand the impact of organizational skills. Thank you.